Hi YouTube, I am Shweta. Welcome back to my channel. Firstly, I want to say a big thank you to each and every single human being individual who has shown so much support on my recent YouTube video. It's almost overwhelming. I have never I have experienced this kind of a support on Instagram, but YouTube is a different feeling altogether. And it's actually really nice to see like strangers who I don't even know. I've never seen their faces. I don't know you, but still you have shown so much support, so much trust. So I'm really deeply, really, really grateful. And thank you so much to all the tarot readers who have supported me. It actually, you don't even have to do that, but you still do. And actually, that makes me feel like I should be more supportive to other people as well. And which I will. So thank you. Thank you so much. Really, really thank you from the deepest parts of my heart. Coming back. So today's topic, obviously, a lot of people were, excited to watch me post another video. So I had actually confusion between two topics, and I had posted a poll on Instagram. So if you're interested, just follow me on Instagram. I have all the links in the description. And the question was that what is the next YouTube topic that you would want to see? There were two options. One was person in your mind, and second was what do spirit guides want to tell you? And shockingly, it is a pretty close call. 56% people have voted for person in your mind. 44% have voted for what do spirit guides want to tell you. So I'm assuming that you guys are interested in both of them. And yeah, I will maybe create both of them. One topic I will, cover today. Another topic in the next video. And yeah, thank you. Thank you so much for all the response. So today's topic, we are going to talk about the person in your mind. Okay. Before I go ahead, yes, just please, this is a literal, request that if this video resonates or if this entire reading makes sense, please do the energy exchange, because it actually takes a lot of effort. It's not easy, but no excuses like that. So please do like, save, share, comment, subscribe, please do subscribe, and hype this video. And if it resonates or if it makes sense, then just say something nice, and definitely do recommend what other kind of videos or what other topics you want me to cover. And yes, if you want to book a personalized session, you can definitely do so. I'm open to bookings. All the information is in the description below, and you can just contact me and I'll get back to you. Okay. So, yes, the topic for today is the energy of the person in your mind. So, person in your mind, this could be a no contact, this could be a minimal contact, this could be you have a crush on, this could be anything. Okay. So, it is going to be general. I will cover specific energies also in the coming times, but this is like a general reading of what is the energy of the person in your mind. And this will not be a pick a pile reading. This is going to be like a one shot reading, but I have a lot to cover. So let's go ahead and look into it. Let's connect with your energies first. Close your eyes, plant your feet on the ground, take a deep breath with me, and let's go. Okay. So first things first, let's see what uh let's see what are their current energies. Okay. Actually, no, I don't want to. Okay, one card has already fallen, so I'm going to talk about this. Let's talk about your camaraderie, like your person's camaraderie, your dynamics. How were they? So, right off the bat, I have got the Queen of Pentacles, which is very interesting. I was trying to pull out a card as to what their current energies are. And I'm seeing two snakes here, right? I think this person is actually trying to ground themselves a little bit. They are in a transformative zone. If you can see, there's like two snakes intertwined within each other. So this person is actually becoming a little more spiritual, a little more grounded. Is pretty happy in their life. Happy in the sense like content. A little bit of a homebody, ज़्यादा बाहर ही निकल रहे हैं, is kind of in their own limits, trying to make peace with what they have, trying to make the most of what they are having, is what I'm getting. This person could be earth energy. This person could be somebody who um, is very practical, pragmatic, has a very sharp face, has long kind of a stature, loves brown color, could be having pet animals, loves pet animals or loves greenery, loves to, like, if they want to go out, if they want to travel, they would love to travel in nature se connected hain ye log. Okay, anyway, let's come to your dynamic and your person's dynamic. Like, what is it in within you? What went wrong? What went right? Let's cover everything. Oh my god, here also I got a Queen of Pentacles. Kuch to hai scene bhai. Okay. I feel like there was a time where you both were very happy with each other, but there was this kind of a chul of your partner, or the need for your partner to make a very weird decision in their life. Like they took a very random decision, and that decision ruined your relationship. Now, what is this decision? I want to check that first. This was a decision to choose themselves, apparently. I am getting this energy where till a certain amount of time things were very happy, things were perfect. You know, your partner was involved, your person was wanting to see a future. Suddenly there was this kind of a external environment or external individuals that came into his mind or her mind, and they told this person that, listen, there are so many things that are left to achieve. There are so many things that you're not focusing on. You are wasting your time in a relationship, or you're wasting time with this individual. And I'm getting this feeling where you were anyway not going to be in a relationship. You were just like talking to each other. It was a nice camaraderie. You were just sharing your feelings with each other, whatever, XYZ. It was not like you were literally going to do a Varamala towards each other. It was a simple energy where you were happy with each other, you were content, and it felt very real. It felt almost like a relationship. You did not like go ahead with it. I definitely see that there were some kind of energetic depletions in that also. Okay, even when you were talking together, or when you were having conversations, it still kind of felt like, okay, there's a long way to go. It still felt like, okay, I don't think that this person is ready. It felt almost like you have to still adjust a little bit. So ऐसा नहीं था कि right off the bat you both were very very involved with each other and wanting to like completely like associate with each other. ऐसा नहीं था. But other individuals kind of got jealous of this. Like I'm getting a jealous energy. I'm getting energy where they like external people in your person's life were not happy seeing him or seeing her at peace, in content, happy, relaxed. They didn't want it. They wanted the other person or your person to kind of like energetically withdraw from this without taking the blame of it, like without being the reason for it. So they would put this thing in the person's mind ki, okay, you have so much to achieve, there are so many things that you have to do, and they would put this confusion in this person's mind that, am I supposed to be in a relationship right now, or do I want to do something else? Like this is what I'm getting. Like your person actually your person was actually genuinely involved and actually really interested and actually was having a nice camaraderie with you, but external people like ruined it. And also like your person is also not very like, this person is very fickle. Like your person is so like is very fickle, is not straight about anything. कि कुछ भी अगर बात आ जाती है, then they just like go into this tangent only. They keep like they have a problem of focusing on one thing. Like they lose out focus, they completely detach, they completely go turn around. So even one person says something, now they'll just think about it all day all night. And this must have happened with you also. Like even if you would tell something to them, they would be like, yeah, you are right. Somebody else will tell something, yeah, you are right. So this person gets swayed away and doesn't have a sense of like, like a proper thumb, like opinion of his. So these people came into his life, said something, or her life also, could be anything, came into your person's life and just swayed this person away. And then what happened? Yeah, I feel like even then, I think you held back into this relationship. You still do try to initiate conversations. You still try to, like connect with this person. But somewhere it is one-sided. Like I'm getting this energy where this person has completely now moved on or detached, or even if this person is coming back, is not giving you as much of attention that this person used to initially give you. So I feel like this person has taken that kind of a conversation too seriously, or has taken that thought too seriously, that I don't think I'm like going in the right direction. I'm also getting this feeling where this person was not having the courage and the balls, sorry for my language, but the balls to stand up to these other people and say that, listen, no, I want to be in this relationship, and for me this is important, this is something that is worth my time, I'm not wasting my energies. So these people also did not have a really strong spinal cord. I feel like this person had an issue with being able to take a stance, very indecisive, like 2 of swords, 7 of cups, 9 of pentacles, like indecisive and not being able to, right, like only kind of thinking about themselves also. Like this is selfish, right? Because there are two individuals who are in a relationship, and this person is only thinking about himself or herself, and only focusing on what is right for them. So I can see that kind of a confusion, chaos energy with added like selfish energy, narcissistic energy, which almost made this relationship one-sided. That has what has happened, right? Although this person is a nice person, I guess I can say that. But yeah, I do believe that. See, okay, look at this. Two children, one person is holding this, one person is holding that. Like this one, like you are trying to hold on to this relationship. Like this is you, okay? You're trying to hold on to this relationship, trying to keep the flag high, trying to keep the relationship's flag held high. and this person is trying to tear it down, like, no, I don't want this, I don't want this, I don't want this. I don't know why. This is very bad energy. Like, I'm sensing that this is a person who does not want that happiness. But this person knows that you give them happiness. This person knows that you are a person who will give them the kind of completion, the kind of comfort Queen of Wands. You will be able to actually, you know what? You will be able to do very well in your career also. So if this person had issues with career and all that, theek hai, you want to stand on your own feet, you want to be self-made. But aisa nahi hai that you wouldn't have taken their, like, you wouldn't have helped them. This person could have actually, managed the two together. My point is, if okay, you wanted to focus on your career, you wanted to focus on your personal life, you wanted to focus on making a mark for yourself, you would have had done this by being fair to you, and by actually ensuring that both of the things are managed pretty well, right? This is the sign of maturity. But what did this person do? This person got into the pressure, got overwhelmed by it, went into the ways of other people, and left you. And now you are just stuck here saying that, I could have helped you. We could have managed this together. We could have been in this, game together. We would have been able to manage things as a team. And this person is completely, like, taken a flee. This person has completely taken a new direction in their life. This person has taken a new energy. And now in your current energies, it's like the no contact or whatever, like minimal contact, is only from your side. Like, aap hi ho jo initiate kar rahe ho, you're the only one who's giving. But there's no respite as such. Like, I'm not getting any, like, again, like, such a difficult energy where a person is just not being able to, like, this person is just completely internal now. Like, I'm completely internalizing things, only focusing on themselves, only focusing on their life, and a very, like, they are on a big juncture in their life. That's why I got a Queen of Pentacles. I told you, right, in the starting of the reading, that this person is homely. Like, this person is not stepping out. This person is not trying to make any moves. This person is too internal. I feel like this person has just gotten into this cocoon and almost is behaving as if they don't know you. They're almost behaving as if there was nothing that was going on in this relationship. And even if they do talk to you, even if you try to initiate, they just act as if, yeah, okay, what happened? Yeah, I am fine. Like, they act as if they're doing you a favor by texting them, or they're doing you a favor by replying to them. मतलब आप भूल गए क्या कि कैसा हमारा रिलेशनशिप था, कि आप भूल गए क्या कि हमारे बीच में क्या था? लाइक, ऐसे आपको फील होता होगा. लाइक, यू मस्ट बी फीलिंग लाइक, डोंट यू नो दैट दिस इज समथिंग दैट वी शेयर टुगेदर? So yeah, I'm getting this kind of a very, like, cold energy. Somebody who doesn't want to recognize you. So, like, up in their up in their energies. Like, this is something, I don't know, I'm getting very weird energies from this. So yeah, I think that is what has happened. Just give me a second. So one card had fallen out, and I was very particular about what that card has fallen out, and it's the Devil. So now you know why I was so finicky about that devil energy. Again, like, they're acting like a devil only. Dekho, I'll tell you what. Just because an external person comes into your life and tells you that, this is wrong, you are not supposed to be in the relationship, you have to choose something better for yourself, this is not the right age, this is not the right time. That energy I can understand. That people came into your life, but and they got the better of you. But where is your sense of responsibility? Like, you are allowing the devil to demonize you. आप इतने वीक हो क्या? आर यू दैट ससेप्टेबल टू अदर पीपल? आर यू हैविंग नो स्पाइन एंड नो, बोलते ना, रीढ़ की हड्डी नहीं है आप में, कि आप किसी रिलेशनशिप का स्टैंड भी नहीं ले पा रहे हो? द रिलेशनशिप दैट गिव यू एक्चुअली सो मच ऑफ जॉय, you almost treated this person like a husband and like a wife only. Like, you almost treated each other like life partners. So you allowed the devil to reach you. Dude, you allowed the devil to reach you. You allowed the devil to demonize you. You allowed the devil to hypnotize you, and you got hypnotized. So who is at fault? The people who are coming into your life and trying to get the better of you, or you who is allowing it to happen, knowing very, very well aware that this is a bait. You're being baited. So ask yourself, like, I would want to tell this person, like, ask yourself this, right? So again, I'm already getting this energy where this person doesn't recognize and doesn't value what they had. Okay, this person has lost the value, taking you for granted, and just not being able to recognize things. Okay, very simply. Now that we've understood, let's see now what are their current energy. Like, what are they currently feeling? What is their current vibe like? I actually want to also take out cards as to how they, like, I want to see how they look and what they resemble. Like, I also want to take out cards from my own deck. Can I do that? Let me just see. Okay, what is something that is, I want to talk, like, I want to get something specific out of these people. Like, कोई specific चीज बताओ यार इनके बारे में. see, self-made and self-employed, like it really matters to them. Like being self-made or person who is starting from scratch, they really care about it. I'm getting this feeling where they have not been born with a silver spoon, where they don't know what it means to be like in a luxurious kind of a thing. They don't know what it means to be coming from a wealthy family, and it actually has mattered to them a lot. And that's why these people are so finicky about their career and so particular about money and so particular about being able to make a mark of themselves. It's not a wrong feeling to have. Like everybody should experience like ambition. It's a good thing to be ambitious, but when that ambition almost kills something which is so beautiful and organic, then you have to ask yourself whether that ambition is actually supposed to make you grow or is actually stunting you in your life. A lot of times we feel like, okay, only professional success is a demarcation of success, but sometimes people don't realize that personal sense of fulfillment is actually even more important than perhaps professional success. Money can't buy happiness, and only when you achieve money when you realize it. Anyway, coming back, what is else that is coming to you? um yeah, this person has some kind of an issue. Like I don't know why this person has had some like problems in studies earlier in their life, in their childhood. Like this person had problems or had poverty problems or had issues with like they had struggles in childhood with regards to getting information in, or they were a slow kid. This was not a prodigy child, this was a slow child. Your person was somebody who had struggles in studies, struggles in being able to, so that's why there's also an additional kind of need to do well in life, because they were not always a bright kid, is what I'm getting. Okay, anything else? I don't want to talk about this, it's a little 18 plus. Yeah, I think that this person has always been somebody who has valued career ahead of everything. When I say career, I don't mean career. I think that this person has always valued a sense of ambition above everything. It really matters to them to do something very well in their life. I'm getting this energy. Yeah, and here's the thing, this person can be very, very loyal when they have to. That's why you gave this person a chance, because initially na, they were very loyal, they were fiercely loyal, and I think they still can be fiercely loyal. But I feel like this person, उनकी जो इच्छा है ना, उनको करने लेने दो, ठीक है, आपको अचीव करना है, कर लेने दो. Like I think that is a good thing, because they are fiercely loyal to their ambitions also. So this person gives everything into one thing, but that's the problem. They give everything into one thing. They cannot bifurcate. See, sometimes you have to understand that life is not one thing 100%. It's 1%, 2%, 10%, 10%, 20%. So it's family, love, money, children, like not children, but like again, like family, relatives, career, everything comes into a platter. You cannot be a person who just can't manage everything. That is a demarcation of a weak person. That is a demarcation of a weak person, right? So yeah, I definitely feel like there was a need for this person to actually show up for this relationship. Music, I'm getting music. I think you guys bonded over a lot on music. There was a lot of like, I think you still listen to music, or I think that you still have this kind of a emotional connect that is almost like unsaid. Like even if I'm telling you all of these things, just like how music hits you, it's like it doesn't have to make sense, but it does. I think that this relationship also, even when I'm telling you all of these things, yeah, this person is doing that, this person is doing that, somewhere in your heart you're just like, I wish that this person comes back. Like how music makes you feel like romantic, and just like, I don't care what it means, but I just love the way it makes me feel. Like that is what I think the relationship also does to you, or has done to you, or is doing to you. Now coming to what are their current energies, like what are they currently feeling, what are the current behavioral patterns, क्या चल रहा है currently, क्या चल रहा है. Okay, let's see. Again, like I don't think that it is going to resonate 100%. मैं कभी भी दावा नहीं करती हूँ that it is going to resonate 100%, because this is a general energy. But if it does, let me know, because I am really trying my level best to connect with this reading. Okay, they're surrounded by people, they're surrounded in the current energies. I think they're trying, their family is trying to set them up with somebody, or they are being pushed to meet people, or they are completely surrounding themselves with people. See, I told you, like in the current energies, they are internal, but they're surrounded by people. You can be in your own zone, you can be focusing on your own energies. The Hermit. I didn't even look at this card, but I just like saw it right now and I was like, oh my god, the Hermit. Exactly what I was saying. कि हर्मिट है, लेकिन इनके आसपास क्या है, नाइट ऑफ कप्स, किंग ऑफ वॉन्ड्स, क्वीन ऑफ कप्स. आप देख रहे हो कि मतलब हर तरह से एनर्जीज स्प्रॉल्ड अक्रॉस है, but they are in their own internalized state, right? They are in their own energy. So a lot of people might be taking their, like wanting their attention, maybe in their career field also. A lot of people they're working around a lot of people. There is a lot of marriage proposal, love proposals coming to them left, right and center. Some beautiful women, some beautiful men also, for women also, कुछ भी हो सकता है, मतलब men, women, everybody is coming to them, and they are in that kind of a zone where no matter what hierarchy, Everybody is liking them. Old people are also liking them, young people are also liking them, women are also liking them, men are also liking them. If this is for a man, then men are also liking this man. If this is for a woman, women are also liking this man. But if this person is being like liked, this person is the limelight. This person, even, the more internal this person is, like the more mysterious this person is, the more this person is getting that attraction. So attraction to hai. It's not like this person is not getting that attraction or not getting that validation from people. I definitely feel like with the Four of Cups and Eight of Swords, this person is just not having the right resources to be able to talk or interact with people. क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है that in the current state they are not zoning into the relationship aspect. They still feel like they're not good enough. They still feel like there's so much to do. I think that this current energy is telling me that what they were thinking of, in the past with you, कि हाँ, I need to focus on my career, I need to focus on my my own individuality, I want to be self-made. अभी भी कुछ नहीं हुआ है. अभी भी वो उसी जगह पे हैं. अभी भी वो वही स्टक एनर्जी पे हैं. उधर भी हैंगमैन एनर्जी आती है, फोर ऑफ कप्स एनर्जी आती है, यहाँ पे भी फोर ऑफ कप्स और हैंगमैन, मतलब एट ऑफ स्वर्ड्स वाली एनर्जी आई. इट्स वो क्या मिल गया आपको करके? माई पॉइंट इज कि ठीक है, यू लेफ्ट मी मतलब यू लेफ्ट यू, दिस पर्सन लेफ्ट यू. व्हाट डिड दे गेट? अभी भी उसी एनर्जी में, अभी भी आप अपने आप के साथ ही हो, अभी भी आप अकेलेपन में हो. व्हाट डिड यू अचीव? लाइक आई एम नॉट सीइंग दैट यू आर वेरी हैप्पी. यू आर अराउंड पीपल, आई कैन से दैट. People are attracting, people are giving validation from you. Internally, how are you? Internally, are you happy? No, you're not. You're still trying to find something good. You're still trying to find something more. In fact, right now, you're even more helpless. क्योंकि पहले तो at least you were there to support them. पहले तो at least you were there to, listen to them, to give them guidance, to give them beautiful information, to give them moral support, moral boost. अब तो वो भी नहीं है. अब तो वो भी नहीं है. और जो है भी, people who are around them, they just want the person for themselves. कि हाँ, I want to date this person, I want to meet this person, I want to do something like, something whatever XYZ with this person. Genuinely कोई इनके पास है नहीं. This person is lonely. This person is having nobody. Even with the Four of Cups, even when there are people around, even when there is opportunities around, they don't want to grab it because it is not personally fulfilling them. तो क्या कर लिया आपने? छोड़ के क्या ही मिल गया आपको? क्या आप content हो? नहीं हो? So again, like this person is trying to find meaning in their life, but they're unable to do so. And that is what the missing puzzle piece is. Okay, let me just ask this face front. Are you the missing puzzle piece for this person? Let's just ask this face front. God, please give me the guidance. Is the person watching this genuinely the missing puzzle piece for the person that they like? Wheel of Fortune, Eight of Wands, and Five of Swords. In a way, yes. I think it's also a part of them also that is missing here. मैं बोलूँगी कि both. I will say you are a part of them. Definitely Eight of Wands, Wheel of Fortune आया है. But it's also like them trying to trust themselves. I feel like the problem here is that they don't trust themselves. With the Five of Swords, I feel like if they would have just been like, what, let me manage my own timeline. When in that past energy, when external people came into their life or whatever, they try to put something in their brain. If they would have just said that, listen, I acknowledge your opinion, but let me take the decision for myself. Now, why are you manipulating me? Why are you putting any time bound on me? Why are you putting me under pressure? मुझे पता है what is at stake. Let me handle it. So, yes, you are the missing puzzle piece. I will say that. Like, you bring in that positivity, you bring that matter of, like, you are a lucky factor for them. You bring in the luck. You bring in the divine, the divinity in their life. I agree. But there's also a place in which they themselves are a missing puzzle. Their own sense of, like, being able to stand up to people, that they lack. That's what I said. Like, they don't have a spine. They don't have that kind of courage to speak up. They get दबाव very easily. दब जाते हैं, बहुत ही ज़्यादा insecure हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा दब जाते हैं. अगर ये थोड़ा सा एक sense of power लाएंगे ना अपने अंदर, like if they are able to just be like, you know what, it's okay. I know what is the best for me. I am glad that you're a well-wisher, but there is no hurry for me. If they would have just been like that, na, that is also a missing puzzle piece. So yes, I will say that you are a missing puzzle piece. That's the question, na, ki are you a missing piece? Yes, you are, in a way, yes. But I think that you also brought in a sense of confidence in them that perhaps is the missing link as well in their life. Like, that is what I'll say. Anything else that is coming to me in their current energies, because I really want to dive into what is the next step. Ten of Wands, क्या बोला था मैंने? क्या खुश हैं ये? आप उनको पूछ लेना. भाई, are you happy? Don't say भाई. Just say XYZ name, whatever their name is. Are you happy? Are you genuinely happy? Okay, are you happy? छोड़ो. Happy तो नहीं है. Are you satisfied with where you are? Are you actually, it's like they will tell you that yeah, I am satisfied, but इतने सारे बोझ हैं इनके सर पे. They are having so much of trouble कि मतलब ऐसे I'm okay, like आप मर रहे हो, मतलब आप literally, no offense, ऐसे मरने की बात नहीं हो रही है, but it's almost like you're coming at, you're saying that you are like happy and you're content, but you are literally like in 2 seconds you're gonna like just collapse. It's like that कि मतलब आप what is the situation, right? So yeah, again, like with the page of wands also, I feel like page of wands, page of cups, मुझे लग रहा है कि यार this person has just like, okay, थोड़ा सा expand हुए हैं, थोड़ा सा improve हुए हैं, but the kind of expectations that they had from themselves, they've not reached there yet, and they're not very happy about it. They're very very burdened, and they're very tight with their energy. So I'm not necessarily seeing any good respite. There are certain places in which they are getting the validation, I will say that, कि ठीक है, fickle energy है कि okay, this and that, but I'm sensing this energy where they're still trying to find somebody, they're still trying to find the one. Do they miss you? Do they miss you? I want to check that actually. Do they miss you? They miss what you gave them. They miss your energies? Yes, I do. I will say yes. I've got a Knight of Cups in the world. Three of Wands also. Yes, I think what they miss is the kind of completion that they had with you. You know what, the kind of like the your best friends. I will say that you were actually people who were genuinely good friends, best friends. It almost made it feel like, I can share anything with this person. And the moment they made this kind of a choice, I don't know, like it kind of, they drove themselves away from themselves only. खुद से दूर भाग गए, खुद से जुदा हो गए. So yeah, I do feel like there is a part of them that misses them. Let's see. Okay, now let's come to the main core of this reading as to what is it that they're going to do. What are the next steps? Okay, what are the next steps? Let's see. Okay, I'm getting like blue color. Is their favorite color blue color? Is your favorite color blue color? Is there, actually I want to check this. I want to see what is this person a 9-3 or an 8 born? Do you have 9-3-8 connection? Let me know. Okay, 9-3-8 connection, or even a 4 connection. Let me know. Okay, either you guys can be Mulank or Bhagyang 4-2. Oh, sorry, 4-9-3-8. Either of these things. Okay. So yeah, that is what I'm going to go ahead with. Now let's look at, what do I want to see? I want to see what is the next steps. Okay. What are the next steps? Like, what are they going to do now with you or with this energy? Let's see. This. They are thinking about approaching you. See, ab sabhi bol denge ki they are thinking about approaching you, but I've got the Lovers, I've got the Page of Wands, so I will say that yes, they are thinking. They are putting action towards it bit by bit. I feel like, you know what, I'm getting this energy where they'll first try to get a reality check of their own current life. With the Two of Wands, Queen of Swords also, पहले वो खुद की लाइफ में क्लैरिटी लाने की कोशिश करेंगे कि यार, let me just reel back, let me just take a few steps back and try to understand कि यार, where did I go wrong? What was, like, being honest with your own self is what I'm getting currently in this current energy. Okay, then I definitely feel like with the Lovers and the Page of Wands, there will be a realization that, okay, firstly they will try to connect with you and just try to ask you how you're doing. Ki matlab with the Page of Wands na, they are not trying to push too much, they're just trying to kind of get a whiff of it. Like, they're just trying to have a communication door open. तो मतलब one text message ऐसे ऐसे करेंगे. Don't expect them to completely come to the doorstep and propose to you. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. They'll just try to keep one door open, like one kind of this thing open. They'll try to say hi, hello, or maybe you might meet this person like some random place or a reunion. Okay, so few cards have fallen, so I'm just going to pull out this card. A reunion or some kind of a like college reunion, school reunion, or some kind of an adventure also. Like, maybe you guys, some people are going on a trip, bachelor's trip, bachelorette trip. I don't know, I'm getting this energy where you might have a festival, college festival or something of that sort. Yeah, with the Justice and the Knight of Cups, Eight of Swords also, really interesting set of cards. I think they will try to acknowledge the reality of the situation firstly, and they'll try to be like real about it. Like, Justice, Eight of Swords is telling me that they will try to kind of understand that they are messed up. Well, acceptance of the situation ki yaar, I have done myself wrong, I have done myself a lot of grave injustice, and I need to do something about it. With the Knight of Cups, I think there will be an initiation with regards to you, yes, and also with regards to Ten of Pentacles, also with regards to like connecting with your friends, connecting with your family. Maybe they were also very close to your sister, your brother, your cousins, your family members, so they'll try to like reach out to them as well. Okay, how you're doing, I'm getting this energy where they don't have the courage to completely come onto your face and tell you that, listen, let's get back or let's talk to each other, but they will try to put these hints, subtle hints I'm getting, subtle hints I am seeing. And there will be an initiation of a text message or like a simple kind of a hi, hello. Okay, they will not take everything in, they will not be completely 100% like involved, and they also will be people who might surprise you like here and there. Their energies will surprise you, like they will not be like the moment they message you, it will come off a surprise, like you will never expect it. It is going to be sudden, all of a sudden, or they might talk to you. But again, like I'm getting this energy where it is not going to be very satisfying for you. They will not talk about their current situation, they will not talk about what they're currently going through. They will just ask you about you. How are you doing? What is your life like? What are you up to? Are you dating somebody? Are you not dating somebody? They will also acknowledge what went wrong. Okay, they will also acknowledge कि क्या वो situation थी जहाँ पे उनको छोड़ना पड़ा, क्या वो situation थी जहाँ पे काफी external energies आ गए थे and they were trying to kind of derail this person. Queen of Cups also I'm getting, like this person will try to get to know you, like they will try to get information out of you first, right? They will try to kind of be a listening person, and I'm sensing like they will this person will try to kind of give you a lot of importance. They will say that you were a person who was actually um so confident. I wish I was like you. They will try to compliment you. They will try to say कि yeah, you are sorted, तुम्हारा तो कोई problem ही नहीं है, तुम्हारा तो सब कुछ set है. You have no excuses in life. I'm the one who is kind of in a mix. I'm in a fix kind of an energy. And then this person will definitely try to kind of take things slowly, steadily, and build onto it. Like I'm getting Eight of Pentacles Magician here, where they will try to kind of talk to you a little more frequently. I'm not getting an energy where this person will approach you for a relationship. I am not, honestly, I'm not getting that energy. But what I'm seeing is that this person will acknowledge your presence, and this person will try to have the same bond that they used to have with you. And even if that bond is not a relationship bond, it was something sacred, and I'm sensing that this person will try to kind of put that, give you that respect. Like I'm sensing like वो respect देंगे, वो एक acknowledgement करेंगे. Even with the Magician, I think that this person will try to be there for you as well, how you were there for them, and will try to heal themselves while healing you. Like I've got the strength as well. Like I feel like this person will use you, not in a bad way, like not use you, but kind of use your presence to be able to fix the shadow energies of their own life, right? Say suppose they are a person who procrastinates a lot, right? Even if they talk to you a little bit and they are able to get some kind of a motivational words out of you, they will be able to kind of feel like, yeah, this is the reason why I'm supposed to be doing what I'm supposed to be doing. It's not like they are asking you for motivation face front, but even like a normal conversation with you indirectly will motivate them. Do you get it? Like I'm getting that energy where you will bring strength into their life even without them having to ask you for it, right? Again, like I'm getting this energy where this person is heavy in earth energy. I'm getting very strongly. And also I'm getting very heavy air energies, like this person, because I've got the Lovers in the first energy. I'm getting this person, this could be like a Aquarius, also could be a Gemini, could be a Libra. Justice also has come to me. Anything else that I want to tell you? Actually, let's see. I want to give you much more information. Let's see the universe's message. Like I want to see that right, universe's message. What is universe's? One card fell out. Universe's message for you. Okay. Honeymoon phase, attending someone's wedding. I think you guys are going to meet on somebody's wedding, or there's going to be some kind of a wedding involved. I'm not saying that you both are going to get married. कुछ tarot readers क्या करते हैं, वो लोग बोल देते हैं कि आपकी शादी हो जाएगी एक साथ. It's not like that. Could be, why not? But I'm sensing that this person is like, you are attending somebody's wedding, or you're meeting on somebody's wedding, or there's travel that is happening and you might meet this person while traveling. Communication, yeah, I'm sensing a communication for sure. What should your response be? That is also what I'm going to see. So let's see universe's message and then what your response should be, right? We're covering everything. So what is universe's message here? Yeah, communication is coming in very, very strongly. I think the universe is telling you to communicate. I think the universe is saying that if this person is opening up to you, let them. Of course, be a little careful. It's not something that you have to completely like get swayed away by, because it can be like this person can bewitch you. Like this person can actually again come into your life and gain something out of it. It's not like this person is not giving you anything back. It's just that it's better to hold yourself back because you haven't betrayed before. It's nothing wrong to communicate. There's nothing wrong, but it's just like hold yourself back before you push too much. Yeah, I think that initially you should just talk about the external things. Like I don't think that the universe is telling you to talk about the reality of the situation then and there. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको immediately वही बात करनी है जो problem थी ये थी. In fact, initial 2-3 months don't even talk about what went wrong. Just get to know each other, what are you up to, like how are your family environment, how is your mother doing, how is your father doing, how is work, how is this, like ऊपर ऊपर की बातें करो. Like I don't think that there is a need for you to find any kind of a find any kind of a like jury out of what went wrong. Like you don't have to find yes this happened and no this happened, and you don't have to kind of spill the can of worms. Basically, don't do that, not now, not immediately. I think that is what is being told to you. Like I think that the universe is saying that your next step should definitely be to be able to kind of see from a distance as to how this person is reacting. And yes, if you're sensing that this person is, like, again, like message of concern and despair, like if you can see that this person is having a moment of vulnerability, allow them to be vulnerable. Again, like, not because, again, you have to understand that this is not something to do about you. It's not about you. You have to show up for this person because this person is maybe needing you. And it's okay that you want to take your time. It's okay that you don't want to interact with this person. That's completely fine. आपको नहीं बात करनी है, मत बात करो. लेकिन acknowledge करो कि यार, it's okay, you are going through a difficult time. Main female, like, again, like, this person doesn't have anybody else in their life. Like, that's what I told you, na, ki you are the main person. You have always been the main person. Other people are trying to get attention of this person, but they are not getting that attention. So you are. So maybe this person actually needs, they don't need you as a woman. They need you as a person. Do you get it? Or they don't need you as a man. For men also, they don't need you as a man, they don't need you as a provider, they just need you as a person who they can rely on. Like आपकी, like बोलते ना कि मराठी में हम बोलते हैं, मराठी, आई एम महाराष्ट्रियन, मराठी में मानुसकी बोलते हैं. लाइक आपकी ह्यूमैनिटी चाहिए उनको, आपके एक्सटर्नल फिगर नहीं चाहिए उनको, आपकी सुंदरता नहीं चाहिए उनको, आपका पैसा नहीं चाहिए उनको, आपकी ह्यूमैनिटी चाहिए. They don't want the beauty and the frills of it. They want what you have within you, like internally. That is what I'm trying to get, right? Anything else that I want to tell you? Okay, let's see anything more. Like what else is coming to you? Yes, सारे cards गिर क्यों रहे हैं आजकल? Yeah, I'm stuck in visions of us together. Like that's what I'm seeing. Like this person is definitely thinking about you, is having at least like those kind of thoughts as to how it used to be before. Regretful तो है, regret है क्योंकि अभी कुछ उखाड़ा तो है नहीं ना कुछ ढंग का. They've not been able to achieve something great in their life. Okay. I'm obsessed with you. What do you see in me? That's so like accurate. Like I'm getting such accurate energy. Like this person is definitely feeling that kind of a feeling. Like, yeah, what do you see in me? Like this person is actually having such huge image issues, self-conscious issues. They are actually needing you to just tell them ki, yaar, it's like they want you to be able to make them realize who they are because they're not able to see it themselves. It's kind of like that. Yeah, I'm getting this. You've triggered me again. Like I'm not getting any like triggered energy. Like it's not like you have triggered them. It's like in a way, okay, in a way, yes, you have triggered them because they realize that there was something very important in this relationship with you. Like I'm intuitively getting this feeling where there was something so sacred that it almost is the reason why they are not feeling happy, because they realize that they made the wrong choice. So it's not like you've triggered them, but they realize that there was something so important that I let go and it kind of irks me every day. That kind of an energy is coming to me. All right. Anything else? Last few informations that I want to give you. Anything else? Please give me some nice important messages for the person watching. Okay, I can't read few of these because they are 18 above, so I can't. Yeah, I was thinking of you last night. Oh my god. Okay. I'm getting this energy where this person is actually right when I'm recording this video will message you. That's something that I'm going to say, right? I feel like this person right is thinking about you right when I'm making this video. I'm getting this feeling a lot. Yeah, this person actually regrets listening to their friends or listening to the person. This could very well be like colleagues, friends, family, who actually like literally were the reason for why this relationship has become like this, like why this relationship has turned out to be so bad, so detrimental, right? So yeah, this is what it is for you. I hope I was able to help you. This was a pretty intense reading, heavy reading, and yeah, I think that this is something that you definitely need to know. I hope I was able to help you, and I hope that this made sense, and I really hope and pray that it actually helps you, this reading helps you and gives you some kind of a solace or some kind of a feeling of like clarity if not anything, it should give you clarity. So yes, if this resonated, then please do let me know, and please definitely like, save, share, comment, and subscribe to this video and to this channel as well. And I will see you soon. When, I don't know, but I will see you soon with another reading, with another topic. And if there is anything that you want me to cover, please let me know in the comment section below. And of course, you can always book a reading with me. All the messages and all the details are in the description box below. And thank you so much. I will see you soon. Bye bye.